nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change. Hey, let it think, let it think. Hey, let it think, let it think, let it think.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, we will make this sweet and super tasty mango mousse. You will surely love this, so let's begin. Here are the only ingredients that we need. First, scoop the mangoes and place it in your blender. Then add half of your all-purpose cream. Close the lid and blend it together. After a few seconds, transfer it to your mixing bowl and do the same on the remaining mangoes and cream. Now, let's add half of our condensed milk. Add the remaining condensed milk and mix it well. Then, refrigerate it for about 3 to 4 hours. Before taking the mousse out, prepare the jellies. Cut it into small pieces and set aside. After 4 hours, take it out from the fridge. Add some jellies on top. And you now have a sweet, delicious dessert. Put it in a shot glass and serve it as a dessert shot. That's it for today. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.